and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the Range Rover car lineup. So let's go. So we will start now from the Range Rover Evoque. The Range Rover Evoque is a small compact SUV of the Range Rover. It is an entry level car made for the youngsters who want to drive themselves with their families on the highway. It is getting the feature of cruise control, which means that you can set the car to a particular speed and it will roll itself to a particular extent. It will get 18-inch wheels with high-profile tires of a Swiss appeal to get the more riding comfort and the fuel economy which you want. It is going to get the Land Rover's new headlights with rectangular shapes. It is going to get new door knobs like a Velar. So it will be difficult you to understand the difference between the Velar and the Evoque. It will get Range Rover's new signature interior screens. It will be 5-seater of course. The competitor to this car will be Mercedes-Benz GLE or GLC, Audi's own Q5, BMW's X3, Land Rover's own Discovery Sport. And the pricing of this car will start around 50 lakhs, cruise rising to the 70 lakhs benchmark for HSE variant. So let's go to our third car. Our second car will be the Range Rover Velar. The Range Rover Velar came in 2016 and it had got the BS6 engine in 2019. It makes a benchmark for its futuristic styling. Apart from the BMW X6, the Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, which were more bulgy SUVs. It will be 5-seater of course. It is also known as and big version of Evoque. This car is very limited, only often seen in the southern. It is getting the rectangular headlights and the futuristic door knobs with 18-inch wheels with high profile tires, giving it an SUV appeal, but the alloys design is not so great. It will get the Range Rover's new watch function, by which you can take the watch, go to swimming, leave the key in the car and just come and drive off the car, preventing that the key is never damaged with the water or the activities which you take part in. The competitor to this car will be BMW X6 Coupe SUV and the Mercedes-Benz GLE 63 AMG Coupe. It is very sporty and aggressive, and the pricing of this car is starting from around 80 lakhs to 1.1 crore rupees. But it is, I think so, less because of it is made in India. So let's move to our third car. Our third car will be the Range Rover Sport, which is my favorite car of this lot. It is the most sportiest among all. The SUVR trim is the best. In the SUVR trim, you get an carbon fiber bonnet and two-tone color, which is very sporty thing. It will get Range Rover's rectangular headlights, but it will not get the doors which come in the Velar and the 2020 Evoque. The minimum wheel size of this car will be around 20 inches, but you can extend it to 21s or 22s by offering extra money. It will be a British luxury with craftsmanship, so take care while buying. British cars are known to be non-reliable, so care of that. After folding the third row, it will have a lot of boot space. You can fit a Nano in there. Jokes apart, it will be a true baller's car. All the football celebrities are seen with this car. It is very rare to see this car in our Indian roads. The main competitors to this car are the BMW X5 and etc. It will be a sporty creature and it is made for drivers and their families to move in the luxury and the grace. The pricing of this car will start from around 1.1 crore and can rise up to crore for an SUVR trim. So let's move to the fourth and the last and the most expensive car. Our fourth car will be the Range Rover. I know what is the Range Rover. No name. So this is the biggest flagship car the Range Rover that offers in India. It is seen with the Bollywood celebrities like Sanjay Dutt and all. It is the biggest car of the lot by being 5.2 meters in length and over 2 meters in height. If you spec it to the most level in the trim of autobiography, it can go to the Bentley Bentayga reach. It will get 21-inch wheels with standard with low profile tires. It looks very small with the car. I think that they should offer at least 22s or 23s with such a big height of this car. I know it's a bit crazy, but yes, it will get the Range Rover's new rectangular headlights, but no doors like the Velar. It will get the two-tone color with the roof being black and the body if your choice. The base variant will have V6 engine with around 300 bhp, which is enough for the car. The base variant is also luxurious, but if you speak of autobiography, it is very much luxurious. The pricing of this car will start from around 1.6 crore, rising to 3 crore benchmark for the autobiography variant. By the way, the Bentley ka, so cost like this. So comment my video and just say which video you want next from me. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. By the way, upload one video and one day, so be updated.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's